Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 best folding knives of 2026. From rugged classics to sleek modern designs, these knives are built for performance, durability, and everyday reliability. Let's jump in and see which models made the ultimate list this year. Number 10. Gerber Paraframe 1. The Gerber Paraframe 1 secures the number 10 spot on our list of the best knives of 2026 because it combines simplicity, practicality, and lightweight construction. Its open frame handle design significantly reduces weight without sacrificing strength, making it a comfortable knife to carry daily. This model is ideal for a variety of routine tasks, such as opening packages, cutting rope, preparing food, or performing small household jobs. The blade shape supports controlled and precise cuts, ensuring the user feels confident without the tool being intimidating. One of the standout features of the Paraframe 1 is its ease of carry. The slim profile allows it to slide into pockets without feeling cumbersome, and its lightweight nature ensures it won't weigh down your everyday carry setup. The handle is ergonomically designed for a natural grip, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Maintenance is also straightforward due to its open construction, which prevents debris from building up and allows for easy cleaning. The locking mechanism provides stability during cutting, giving users confidence in the knife's reliability. This model excels at being functional without overcomplicating things, which is why it remains relevant even in 2026 when many tools are becoming increasingly complex. Number 9. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops earns the number 9 position for its rugged durability and dependable performance across everyday and tactical tasks. This knife is designed for individuals who prefer a heavier, more confident feel in hand, providing reassurance during tougher cutting scenarios. The handle incorporates textured elements, enhancing grip stability even in wet or challenging conditions, which is essential for prolonged use. The overall construction communicates reliability and resilience, making it appealing to users who require a knife capable of handling diverse tasks ranging from daily utility work to outdoor survival applications. One of its most appreciated features is the assisted opening system, which allows for smooth and rapid blade deployment while maintaining control. This combines convenience with practicality, allowing users to access the blade quickly without compromising safety. Its size and weight are carefully balanced to provide solid presence without becoming overly cumbersome, making it ideal for daily carry for a broad range of users. The blade geometry supports versatile cutting, whether slicing rope, preparing food, or performing emergency tasks. Many users highlight its tactical design, which combines strength with function, giving the knife a professional appearance without unnecessary embellishments. Number 8. CRKT Drifter. The CRKT Drifter secures the number 8 position on our list of the best knives of 2026 due to its clean design, balanced performance, and long-standing reputation for reliability. This knife is praised for its simplicity and focus on essential features, making it highly practical for every day. Users who value straightforward functionality over unnecessary complexity. Its blade geometry is optimized for controlled cutting, delivering precision for common tasks such as opening boxes, preparing food, cutting rope, or handling small outdoor chores. The handle design is compact yet comfortable, allowing the user to maintain control without unnecessary bulk, and its weight distribution is carefully balanced to minimize hand fatigue during extended use. Many users appreciate the intuitive operation, as every aspect of the knife feels purposeful and well-considered. The Drifter's low-profile design makes it unobtrusive when carried, offering discretion without compromising accessibility. The locking mechanism provides secure blade retention, enhancing confidence during use, whether for routine household work or outdoor applications. Another key reason the CRKT Drifter remains relevant in 2026 is its durability. The materials used in construction are chosen to withstand repeated use without degradation, making it a dependable tool for daily carry. The knife strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and ease of use, making it suitable for a wide audience, from casual users to enthusiasts seeking a reliable addition to their collection. Number 7. Kershaw Cryo. The Kershaw Cryo earns the number 7 position due to its proven durability, robust construction, and ongoing popularity among everyday users in 2026. This knife is favored by those who prefer a more substantial feel in the hand, providing confidence and control during various cutting tasks. Its blade is designed to handle repetitive use without losing effectiveness, making it suitable for both outdoor and urban applications. The handle incorporates secure ergonomics, offering a firm grip even during prolonged tasks, while the weight distribution contributes to a balanced, comfortable feel in the hand. One of the Cryo's most appreciated features is its smooth and reliable opening mechanism, which allows users to deploy the blade quickly while maintaining safety and control. The overall design emphasizes functionality over aesthetics, appealing to users who value practical performance rather than flashy appearances. Its solid construction ensures that the knife can withstand daily wear and tear, making it a long-term companion for work, camping, or survival applications. Many users highlight the Cryo's ability to combine strength with portability, as it provides a substantial presence in the hand without being overly bulky for everyday carry. In 2026, the Kershaw Cryo continues to be recognized for its consistency, reliability, and value. Its combination of durability, balanced ergonomics, and smooth operation makes it an ideal choice for those seeking a dependable knife that will perform across a wide range of tasks. Number 6. Buck 110. The Buck 110 is a symbol of classic knife design and long-term reliability, securing the number 6 position in our list for 2026. Known for decades of trusted performance, this knife remains a favorite for those who appreciate traditional craftsmanship and robust construction. The design emphasizes balance, strength, and durability, making it suitable for users who prioritize functionality over contemporary styling trends. Its blade maintains sharpness and cutting performance over extended use, while the handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, allowing for control even during longer tasks such as slicing wood, preparing food, or performing outdoor chores. One of the key strengths of the Buck 110 is its solidity. The knife feels reassuring in the hand, giving users confidence that it can handle both everyday and more demanding tasks without failure. While larger and heavier than some modern alternatives, this weight contributes to stability and precision during cutting, enhancing its utility across various applications. Users often choose the Buck 110 for its timeless design, reliability, and longevity, ensuring that it remains relevant in 2026 despite the proliferation of newer, trendier models. Its reputation has been built over decades, with consistent performance making it a trusted tool for outdoor enthusiasts, collectors, and everyday users alike. Maintenance is straightforward, and the knife's quality construction ensures it continues to function reliably over the years. Number 5. CIVIVI Elementum. The CIVIVI Elementum secures the number 5 position in our list of the best knives of 2026 thanks to its refined design, balanced handling, and modern appeal. This knife has become popular among users who want a tool that combines aesthetic elegance with dependable performance. Its streamlined shape fits comfortably in the hand, reducing fatigue during extended use and allowing for precise control during a variety of tasks, from everyday cutting to more detailed work requiring accuracy. The blade is designed to perform smoothly across different materials, maintaining consistent sharpness and ensuring a reliable cutting experience without unnecessary complexity. One of the most appreciated features of the Elementum is its weight distribution, which feels natural and well-balanced in hand, allowing for extended use without strain. The handle emphasizes ergonomic comfort, accommodating a wide range of hand sizes and grips. Users often highlight how intuitive and controlled the opening and locking mechanisms feel, contributing to an overall sense of confidence and ease of use. In 2026, the Elementum is favored for its versatility, appealing to both casual knife users and collectors who value thoughtful design. Its sleek modern appearance does not compromise functionality, allowing it to perform reliably in everyday scenarios, outdoor activities, and light tactical tasks. Number 4. Spyderco Tenacious. The Spyderco Tenacious earns the number 4 spot due to its exceptional combination of ergonomic design, practical performance, and durable construction. Recognized for its comfortable grip and distinctive blade shape, this knife offers precision for everyday tasks, ranging from cutting rope, opening boxes, and food preparation to outdoor activities and light tactical applications. Its handle is carefully engineered to provide stability and control, allowing users to maintain confidence even during extended periods of use. The Tenacious is appreciated for its intuitive design. Even novice users find it easy to operate, while experienced enthusiasts value the consistency and reliability it offers. The blade geometry supports clean, controlled cuts, and the high-quality steel ensures excellent edge retention and longevity. One of the key reasons the Tenacious remains popular in 2026 is its balance of functionality and affordability. It delivers performance comparable to more expensive knives without compromising essential features. Users consistently praise the smooth deployment mechanism, which allows rapid and safe blade opening, while the locking system provides solid security during demanding tasks. The overall construction strikes a careful balance between strength, weight, and comfort, making it suitable for everyday carry without feeling cumbersome. The knife's reputation for reliability is reinforced by its long track record of consistent performance under various conditions. In addition to its practical features, the Tenacious benefits from a design that emphasizes durability, control, and versatility. Number 3. Ontario RAT Model 2. The Ontario RAT Model 2 claims the number 3 position due to its exceptional balance, ergonomic design, and versatility. Known for its thoughtful handle design, the RAT Model 2 fits naturally in the hand, providing secure grip and precise control for a variety of tasks, from daily household chores to toe-tailed outdoor or tactical work. The blade geometry is optimized for efficient cutting, offering both precision and strength, and the materials used in construction are chosen for durability without excessive weight. One of the standout features is its smooth deployment and reliable locking system, which allows users to operate the knife with confidence and consistency. The weight distribution is carefully calibrated to reduce hand fatigue during extended use, making it a comfortable tool for everyday carry. In 2026, the RAT Model 2 continues to appeal to both casual users and enthusiasts who appreciate a knife that performs reliably without unnecessary complexity. Its combination of affordability, durability, and practicality ensures it delivers performance comparable to higher-end models, while remaining accessible to a broad range of users. Owners often highlight the knife's thoughtful materials and build quality, which ensure long-term use without degradation. Its low-profile design allows it to be carried discreetly while maintaining readiness for any task. Number 2. Benchmade Griptilian. The Benchmade Griptilian earns the number 2 position because of its refined construction, exceptional ergonomics, and consistent reliability. Designed for both casual and experienced users, the Griptilian offers a comfortable, secure grip and a well-balanced blade that enhances precision and control during extended tasks. The blade is crafted from high-quality steel, providing excellent edge retention and performance across a wide range of applications, from household chores to outdoor adventures. The deployment mechanism is smooth and dependable, ensuring that users can operate the knife efficiently and safely. Its locking system is robust, giving confidence during demanding tasks, while the weight and handle geometry are optimized to reduce hand fatigue. In 2026, the Griptilian is celebrated for combining functional versatility with durability and aesthetic appeal, making it suitable for everyday carry, tactical use, and collection purposes. Its reputation for consistent performance, quality engineering, and long-term reliability places it near the top of our ranking. Users appreciate how this knife balances strength, usability, and comfort, which ensures that it performs well in a variety of scenarios without compromise. Number 1. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2 takes the number 1 spot on our list because it perfectly combines performance, ergonomics, and long-term reliability. Known for its comfortable handle, precise blade control, and consistent balance, the Paramilitary 2 provides confidence and efficiency during extended tasks. Its premium steel blade offers exceptional edge retention, smooth cutting performance, and durability across a wide variety of scenarios, from everyday chores to demanding outdoor or tactical applications. The deployment system is smooth and reliable, while the locking mechanism ensures safety and stability during use. The knife's weight and ergonomics are carefully calibrated to reduce hand fatigue, making it suitable for prolonged everyday carry. Users consistently highlight its versatility, noting that it adapts well to multiple situations without sacrificing comfort or functionality. The handle materials are chosen for tactile comfort and long-term durability, while the overall design emphasizes precision, strength, and practicality. That wraps up our list of the top 10 best folding knives of 2026. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more top gear guides and reviews.